So if you've been paying attention to the series, we spent the last like 2 nights and a lot of work prior to that getting the side-by-side here ready. We actually made it to the event this morning. We're waiting for the drivers meeting, and we're going to be racing pretty well first before those big nitro trucks take off. I think it's going to be wild. We're going to see how this plays out. We know nothing about the machine or how it's going to react to this turbo. It might explode, it might do well, it might just need some fine adjustment, but we made it. We're ready. It's in one piece. We've got the 2 Yamahas. We have the Grizzly and the Kodiak. We even have the Argo here. Cass and Aaron are actually volunteering to get some burgers out to folks. We met up with some people that we've ridden with before, so we're going to be racing him.
Damn it. I thought I had a chance.
I don't know what we're going to run into because there's only a few side-by-sides and quads. Most of this is for the trucks and stuff, so I don't know who I'm going to be put up against, but it's all for fun, so yeah. No big deal. We're just going to see how this day goes, man.
Oh yeah. Things are getting churned up. Don't know which lane Kyle's in yet, but we're gonna find out. So in the drivers meeting, we're racing twice today. So Kyle will be probably in lane A or B, whichever one, twice today. And then depending if he wins or loses, we switch lanes and switch directions tomorrow. But that all depends on win or lose. They're turning this bad boy up with a tractor. Yeah, they're gonna be in for an adventure.
So we're getting ready for the race, keeping in mind this is mostly a truck event, so there's gonna be tons and tons of like nitro trucks and super awesome rigs, but it seems that it's only us 2 that are gonna be racing in this league for the side-by-side. So I don't know how the prizes are gonna work, if we just get our money back or what, but we're gonna go and have some fun anyway, try and put on a bit of a show, get everybody warmed up for the big boys, and I'm gonna get this turbo warmed up, and it's a great test for me, I guess. So let's get this show on the road.
Turbo's putting a shift in. Oh, I got the national anthem. Yes!
I have no idea how that looked. Can you see anything? What's that? How'd that go? I can't see a damn thing.
It went better. Mine went a bit quicker.
Yeah, I definitely felt better in low.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are the ladies comfortable though?
Yeah, always. Gotta be cozy.
You guys earned some tips?
Yeah, 20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Woohoo!
We're good bartenders.
Ah. So I got my race done. It's literally me and Jorden. There was a third guy, but he didn't actually race anybody. He got his time done, but we have to come back after intermission. We race again, and then tomorrow we race again. They combine all those times and they judge who the winner is. Oh. So that's pretty well it. We just enjoy the rest of the day, I figure.
Hey, there's Jorden with no bike. Oh, it's way over there.
Oh, he's getting ready to race. There we go. But we've got the Argo here for that September 25th weekend that we're doing the event. We brought it out here and I think we're gonna try and get it in there. How did it look? Oh, camera's screwed. How'd we do? It looks like I was throwing some mud. That's awesome. They let us take the Argo through the pits at intermission. We're just waiting for some young lads to clear out. And we're gonna see if the Argo can make it.
Send it? I don't know if I should hold on or not.
Dude! Come on!
And there goes Rick. We've got Tanner up next in the mass. again. Uh-oh. What'd you do, babe?
There's no mark.
What'd you do?
I absolutely destroyed a lower AR. So I think I'm out. I got lucky though, like real lucky.
Yeah, you had the best time. Unless the Renegade got better than you. I don't know what their
there's a
time
couple
was.
people who made some improvements or got a better lane. I don't know what happened. With that right lane, people were going fast.
Yeah.
You and I got
No difference. As soon as I hit that water, man, I was like, whoa. Yeah,
all I remember is seeing a wave like this, and then I couldn't see the rest of the race.
Oh, brutal.
But okay, we'll retire it.
At least you have yesterday's time.
Yeah, but I might get a DNF now.
That's true.
So
Just take Mama Bear in for the second round.
no, that'll be the slowest time of the sun.
If your times are fast enough, even though you're DNF, if you go and just to finish your pass, you can still win.
Well, I'm gonna find out because if he tells me if I get a DNF, I'm out. Then I'm just gonna spend money.
No, that's just not fair. If those guys are showing up just for today's race,
Yeah.
they're gonna take them.
Because we have like 4 pulls now, you and I, right?
Everything.
Man, I've never seen a rush of water just like over me.
Aaron got the photo of you just engulfed with mud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go find out what happens. Day 2 so far, different day.
Yeah. Yeah.
They added like that much freaking water on top of the mud. So when I went in, it was like crazy.
Yeah.
I was pretty slow on that run too, actually. It felt so good.
Full stop. Here comes Rick. Get him in turns 1 and 2, see how good he drifts her. How'd it feel?
That was awesome.
Yeah? Oh, here goes Tanner. I'll go get my spot. Jorden wasn't allowed going again today. This is too dangerous without a roll cage. That's okay, he got to go to yesterday. Yeah. Here's Aaron on the burst shot mode. And we've got Tanner and his girlfriend, fiance wife, his lady. You can hear her screaming. Hello. How goes it?
Good, man. I just got some photos from our buddy James Fisher. So
Nice.
he takes a lot of like snipey photos from nowhere. The dude's a ninja.
Nice.
So he was kind enough to give us some photos. We're gonna edit up and share with you guys. I'm really excited about that.
Cool.
How did he do in his race?
You did all right.
This thing donkey kicked like crazy.
All we could hear the whole time was, ah! Yeah.
That's this guy's element, right?
Oh my god! Oh my god, I just happened to turn around on that. Jesus.
Kyle may have some issues getting out of the can. Nice and close. Perfect.
Break it down.
Just give me a sec.
We'll just pop her in reverse and tip you over.
Sorry, it won't start. I don't know what. It's not starting.
I know where you live,
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
That was not enjoyable, Cooper. That thing is like to the max. Drive, Jeeves. I know. Let's go.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, go, go. Oh, I think he's scared again.
Like, that's definitely...
Oh my God.